everyone, welcome back. Does Block Blast freeze completely mid-game, sometimes locking your entire phone for a while before it comes back? Here's the fix. First, if your phone is genuinely frozen and unresponsive, wait it out rather than forcing it a hard shutdown right away. Since Block Blast freezes have been reported to resolve on their own after a period of time, once your phone responds again, force close the Block Blast app completely from your recent apps, then rather than reopening it right away. Go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and free up space since low storage is a confirmed contributor to freezing during gameplay. After that, go ahead and close every other app in your recent app list before your next session. Since background apps compete for the same memory, Block Blast needs to render smoothly. If it keeps on happening, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and volume down, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds and then turn it back on, which clears memory buildup and that builds up over long sessions. So all you've got to do is let it unfreeze naturally, force close, free up space, close background apps and restart if it proceeds. Block Blast stops locking up and that's it. Subscribe.